Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome, blessings. I hope you all are doing well. On today's menu, I have some potato salad, and here are my ingredients that I'll be using today. So guys, this is one of the side dishes that I'm saying, hey, uno maybe need for add it to no Christmas menu. Yeah. So here I have some potato. I peel them and wash them, and now I'm about to dice them up and try to show you guys the size that you would maybe want to cut your potatoes. Well, I guess if you like them smaller, then cut them smaller. But yes, yeah, I'm just showing you guys the size that they should be. Some people like them potato salad, or I've seen potato salad will look like mashed potato. That's not my thing. But if that's you, you know the drill. Do you, boo? But yeah, I like my potato salad to be, I can stick my fork in there and get a potato and bite it and say, yes. So one last time for the time, this is how you do it, and that's it. Now to the carrot. So the carrot, you want to cut the carrot smaller, dice them smaller than the potato, kind of way smaller than the potato, because guess what, the carrot is just really it's just a little fashion thing, well, other than forget your nutrients and stuff, but it just want, it's just a little papa color, just say, yes, see me here, me this bright orange, it's all about me. So yeah, this is how you cut it. You just give them just a little dice, and that's us. Here it is. Okay, so I had my water boiling, and now I'm going to add some salt, and I washed the potatoes and the carrot again before I put it in the pot. And you see that the egg, please wash it good before you put it in your pot, right? So this is us all done. So we're going to test to see. So just take out one potato, juke in. You see it got through? Yes, we're good. So throw off the water and set it one side to cool. You do not put mayonnaise on on hot potato. So here we have some sweet pepper, all three colors, yellow, red, and green, some some scallion, and finely chopped onion. Oh my goodness. Yes, and of course, we need some mayonnaise. So pour it on there. Yes, lather it up. Give it some love. And here, one of my favorites. We have some fun memories here. So growing up, when my mom would make this, because by the way, every single Sunday growing up, we have potato salad. Love. So this part right here, enough time I always smile, because guess what? I would always get a piece. Well, me and my siblings, them. She cut off a piece and give it, right? But guess what? If you don't like eggs, you don't have to put the egg in there, right? Preference again. So yeah, but I love me some egg in my potato salad. Yes. Oh my. So now stir it up, combine everything, and we're going to do this to see if we need any more, what do you call it, mayonnaise. Oh my, guys, please see with me if we need any more mayonnaise. Now me love my potato salad creamy and nice. Yes, just creamy so of course I'm gonna add some more mayonnaise. And extra niceness, green peas 1 can, sweet corn 1 can, and stir it up. Guys, I promise, when I say I promise, I tell you, say this nice. So I mean, you can really sort this out and give to a little bit of guess on I gonna have this Christmas, because you know the situation where I go on. Can't really have too many people. So the sugar, we just add like a tablespoon just to offset or balance out the taste of the mayonnaise. And I also added some black pepper. Yes. So mix it up, stir it up properly, and make sure taste and see what you need, if you need any more. But yeah, guys, this is one of my favorite side. I love me we eat potato salad every week, to be honest. But guess what? I can't do that anymore. Not anymore. The older you get, you know, certain things you just can't do anymore. But yeah, stir it up. And guys, I promise you're going to love, love, love this. So this is it all done. VYBZ FAM, Syria. Check out my bowl of potato salad. Oh, so lush. Hey, Mr. Egg, I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Yes. Carrot, green peas, sweet corn, all of ya. I see you. VYBZ FAM, I promise. Uno are gonna love, 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 love this recipe. Try it. Put it on the menu. Right? The Christmas special. Yes, this is it. Our every week menu. It's just one of those that you need to try, and you're going to love it. Absolutely love it. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me. I greatly appreciate your support. Guys, please go and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. And follow me on Facebook too. Thank you. God bless you.